Lacerte is Intuit's premier professional tax software that's served tax accountants for over 40 years. With thousands of forms, automatic calculations, and advanced diagnostics, it helps you power through your workflow to meet the needs of any client. Using Lacerte is simple. The easy-to-use interface is designed with a series of tabs that follow your typical tax workflow. All you need to do is start on the left and work your way to the right. Let's start with the Clients tab. Here, you'll see a list of all your tax returns. On this display, you can customize what's on the screen by choosing from over 500 different pieces of information. You can view the client's name, the preparer's name, the status of a return, the time spent on a return, and the due date. You can also see the amount due or refund amount, any capital gains or losses, or any earned income credit. Next to the Clients tab is the Detail tab, where you'll enter your client's tax data. When you select a client and open the Detail tab, this opens a table of contents that breaks down the tax return by category. Rather than immediately going through each IRS form, you'll enter a client's data into categorized worksheets. These automatically transfer that data to the correct forms along with any other necessary up-to-date calculations. These categories are General, Payments and Penalties, Income, Deductions, Credits, Taxes, State and Local, and Miscellaneous forms. It's all laid out in what we call a flat design. There are no hidden screens with Lacerte. Everything is accessible directly from the table of contents. The Detail tab is followed by the Forms tab, where everything is calculated very quickly, and where tax returns are produced, starting with the Federal Income Tax Summary. All of the forms and schedules are listed on the left-hand side. And if you want to change from a federal to state return, you can select Arizona or California from that list. When you go into a form, you'll see one of the more popular features in Lacerte. You can jump from any form or the line on any form directly to the respective input field. So if I right-click on Qualified Dividends and select Jump to Input, you'll see all the fields for qualified dividends and the entries I've already made, as shown by the amounts on the right side of this window. Clicking on each of these would take me to the input field where I could change each amount. After the forms, we have Diagnostics. Having over 25,000 diagnostics is a big part of what makes Lacerte very powerful. There are two kinds of diagnostics. Critical diagnostics are shown on the top, and these are the ones you need to clear in order to file a return. Informational diagnostics are shown below, and these will tell you everything else you want to know about a tax return. They include things like the client didn't qualify for the tuition and fees deduction because their AGI was too high, or that a dependency exemption could only be claimed in even years. Next, there's the Analysis tool. With this feature, you don't have to go in and make entries for things like IRAs or SEPs. Lacerte will tell you what the maximum contributions are and exactly what your client's tax savings would be within the Retirement Contributions section. Additionally, it will give you a projection of future tax savings, provide tax tips, and compare a client's return for Schedule A and Schedule C against the national average. We also have Trial Balance utility built into Lacerte. This tool is an automated wizard that will walk you through importing data from any financial program, either through Excel or a direct link through QuickBooks. The next tab is the ESignature dashboard. From your client list, you can click Request to send your clients an email so they can easily sign their forms digitally. Then, from the dashboard, you can keep track of all the signature requests you've sent and view their statuses. For instance, it'll show you if you're waiting for a reply, if your document's been partially signed, or if it's been signed already. The last tab is Integrations, where you can learn about add-on solutions like Intuit Practice Management powered by Carbon. This integration syncs your Lacerte data directly with Intuit Practice Management to help your firm manage and organize all of its work in one place. Over time, we'll develop more add-ons that can help drive efficiency even beyond your tax workflow, so you can learn about them without having to leave Lacerte. To get more information on how Lacerte Tax can help power your productivity, visit our website. Thanks for watching.